Hello guys, today is lalakad tayo. Um, Gusto ko kasi guys is makakuha ko ng customer for my paintings kasi yun naman talaga ang pinaka-goal ko is makabenta sa mga paintings ko. Although malungkot ako kasi ibibigay ko siya sa iba kasi nga pinaghirapan ko siya, and then hindi ko na sila makikita araw-araw. So kung ibibenta ko siya ng mura lang, parang nagbenta lang ako ng pinagpaguran ko na hindi ko binigyan ng value. So dapat siguro reasonable price din yung ilalagay ko dito. So we have Mariah and Two Sisters, I think yung inilagay ko na pinost ko. Yun. Two Sisters and Mariah. So I hope makakuha tayo ng taong bibili nito. Bibili at magiging tahanan ni Mariah at ng Two Sisters. So let's go guys. Alam niyo, kinakabahan ako at nahihiya akong gawin to, pero gusto kong magkaroon ng gusto kong mag-experiment, and gusto kong i-try kung meron ba talagang bibili sa mga arts na katulad nito. So ayun, sana meron tayong pala. So let's go. So ito lang guys, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta ngayon, kung saan ako magsa-start, kung sa terminal ba, I think, or sa mga schools. Hindi ko alam saan ako magsa-start. So bahala na to guys. Guys, for today's video ay lalakad tayo at hahanap tayo ng taong bibili sa arts natin. So I'm scared and shy kasi baka merong makakita sa akin na makakilala ko. So sabihin mo, just sabihin, pero I don't care. Ito talaga yung goal ko, is makabenta ako sa arts ko. And takot na akong mag-quit ulit sa ganito, yung thinking na ganito, na gusto kong kumita sa arts ko tapos bibitawan ko kasi natatakot, nahihiya ako. So no, kaya natin to guys. Let's go. So Mariah, where's Mariah? Mariah, galingan mo ha. Tulungan niyo ako magbenta. Okay? Galingan mag-stop. Ikaw din. Two Sisters. Dalawa na kayo. So kailangan magaling kayo ha. Sorry kasi magbibenta ko na kayo. Mabibenta. So guys, in the end, uuwi pa rin ako at walang bumili. So yun guys, in the end, uuwi pa rin tayo kasi nga sobrang nakakahiya talaga, kasi parang feeling ko wala talagang bibili kasi nga puro busy sila pumunta na kung saan mapuntahan nila. So yun na lang tayo guys, i-post na lang tayo online. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my dream of selling my original paintings. It's not easy, of course. There are so many talented artists out there, and people tend to go for the most popular ones. But I believe in my art and I want to make it happen. So I decided to try something new. I started posting about made to order tote bags, t-shirts, and mugs featuring my paintings on my art page. At first, it was tough because no one seemed interested, but then my sister reached out and loved my designs. She's even ordering 20 tote bags from me in December. That's a huge boost for me. Now, I'm on the lookout for someone to help me produce these tote bags and t-shirts, and they'll also be doing the printing. I'll be providing the designs, of course, it's my art after all. Ideally, I love to have my own printing equipment, but it's not in the budget yet, so I'm finding ways to make my art useful and practical. That's why I came up with the idea of merchandise featuring my paintings. I hope you'll support me on this journey. I'm not sure where it's going, but I'm excited to see what happens next. So I was feeling disappointed that day because nothing seemed to be going my way. No one bought my original art, and I just felt like taking a walk alone by the river to clear my head and breathe in some fresh air. But I'm also happy that I got to bring my art with me on my journey home because maybe God has other plans for my art. I'm keeping an open mind and trusting that something good will come out of it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.